Reporter Joe Henke, he's live in Broken Arrow for the first day of class, wrapped up just hours ago. Joe.
Well, Karen, at Aspen Creek Elementary behind me and the rest of Broken Arrow, the new school year is underway, and new out here might as well be the word of the day. Since 2009, 311 new classrooms have been built in Broken Arrow, with the last of them finished just in time for the first day of school. Now, if we rewind back to 2009, that is when voters passed a $295 million bond. The bond led to district-wide construction, which ended earlier this summer. The new classrooms just one part of the construction, but I'm told they are a big deal because they replace 108 portable classrooms. As of today, no portable classrooms are being used here in BA, and teachers say moving into their brick and mortar classrooms changes the learning experience for the better.
We were just in awe of the space that's in here, the storage space. I mean, the technology, the smart boards that were in here. It was an overwhelming awe.
Now, safety and technology, two of the big features with the new classrooms. The portable classrooms were self-standing structures lacking security, space, or the ability to provide proper shelter during severe weather. Technology in the new classrooms also lets teachers better prepare students for emerging careers. And one other new feature at Broken Arrow schools this year is improved security at the main entrances for each campus to hopefully keep students and teachers safer during the school day. Live in Broken Arrow tonight, Joe Henke, 2 News works for you.